Now let's run this one more time just to go over something really quick. When you execute this page, the list of cuisines should show up automatically here. So it should show up as the page is loaded, or I should say this, as the form is loaded. In order to do that, we'll have to go to the controller and we'll have to use this initializable, which we already have from before, but this is what actually loads the page. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to grab all that information from cuisine, have that driver. So let me grab that information from the driver. This is basically what I need. A lot of it is. So let's go here to the controller. This gets me all that information that I need. Okay, so that looks like it's, yep, that should work. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do a list for each. And what I'm going to do here is add a radio button. So let's add a radio button. I'm going to say here radio button. Make sure this is from Java FX Scene. So here RB is equal to new radio button. Okay, we're then going to go to the flow pane. FP cuisine it's called, and we're going to say here get children, and then we're going to add to that children the radio button. So let's just see what this does by itself, just to see if it does anything. Let's run it, and notice we have the radio buttons here. Of course, there's no data. Our goal is to put the data next. So let's do that. If we now go to RB, I'm going to say set text, and that text is going to be RB, and not RB, I'm sorry, E, which represents the model. I'm going to say here get ID. That's what contained the name of the cuisines. Let's save it, and there it goes. What I also wanted just to give the user more information, let's also put the count. So let's say here plus with a space plus E get count. That way they kind of know how popular this restaurant is, or this cuisine is. Okay, so there it goes. We got all of our cuisines here. In the next video, we'll just, make the visual at least a little bit more organized, because it looks a little cluttered and clumsy right now. Okay, so that's the next goal.